Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how you can download and install AnyDesk for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and install AnyDesk for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of AnyDesk, since that's where we will download the app. So just search for anydesk.com on your search bar. And now that you're on the official website of AnyDesk, next, I want you to click this Downloads button right here at the top right. And after that, you will now be directed to the downloading page of the app. So here, just select a download version depending on the device you're using. In my case, I'm using a Windows PC, so I will choose Windows. And then you can now click the Download button. And after that, your AnyDesk installer file will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then here, you just have to click the Install button to start installing the app. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! You will now have your AnyDesk installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.